Welcome to Trump Breaking News Network, your daily source for up-to-date news on the political scene of Donald Trump, his presidency, American politics and conspiracies. Please subscribe to receive notice of our daily updates. Also share with your friends and your social media. We encourage you to like our videos and give your comments.
This is TBNN.
American Center for Law and Justice files lawsuits against Deep State over Clinton investigation and Uranium One. The American Center for Law and Justice, ACLJ, has filed lawsuits against the Department of State, the Department of Justice, the FBI and the US Treasury over the sham Hillary Clinton investigation and the Uranium One scandal. The lawsuits are over the agencies failing to comply with Freedom of Information Act requirements. The group is asking that a federal court order the agencies to issue determinations and produce documents responsive to the ACLJ's FOIA request. In the first lawsuit, the ACLJ explained in a press release that they are seeking to obtain documents concerning a decision by the Committee on Foreign Investments in the United States, CFIUS, to transfer the U.S. controlling interest in Uranium One to the Russian state-owned arm to wholly owned subsidiary of the Russian nuclear giant, Rosatom. The FBI was investigating bribes, kickbacks and racketeering by the Russian conglomerate's American subsidiary calculated to compromise contracts and the American nuclear energy industry, and the Attorney General's representative sat on CFIUS, the statement from ACLJ notes. The ACLJ points out that the Obama administration deal puts Russian President Vladimir Putin closer to his goal of controlling much of the global uranium supply chain. They also point out that Russian nuclear officials had reportedly given $145 million to the Clinton Foundation while then-Secretary Clinton's representative sat on the CFIUS. Bill Clinton also received $500,000 from the Russian government for a speech in Moscow. The ACLJ's FOIA, and now the resulting lawsuit, seeks information that would shed light on this ill-advised and, frankly, foolish deal approved by CFIUS. Specifically, the information the ACLJ has demanded in its FOIA request will reveal just how much information the Obama FBI/D.O.J. provided to members of the CFIUS before its approval of the deal, as well as the validity of reports that Russia tried to bribe Hillary Clinton, the statement asserts. An FBI informant who was involved in the Uranium One deal was gagged by the Obama administration and threatened with prosecution if he publicly disclosed any details, has alleged that Russian nuclear officials told him, at various times, that they expected APCO to apply a portion of its funds received from Russia to provide in-kind support for the Clintons' global initiative. APCO was expected to give assistance free of charge to the Clinton Global Initiative as part of their effort to create a favorable environment to ensure the Obama administration made affirmative decisions on everything from Uranium One to the U.S.-Russia Civilian Nuclear Cooperation Agreement, he wrote in a 10-page statement to the Senate Judiciary Committee, House Intelligence Committee, and House Oversight and Government Reform Committee. More specifically, in exchange for Russia's payment of $3 million, he said that APCO was expected to give assistance free of charge to the Clinton Global Initiative as part of their effort to create a favorable environment to ensure the Obama administration made affirmative decisions on everything from Uranium One to the U.S.-Russia Civilian Nuclear Cooperation Agreement. The DOJ and FBI have acknowledged that the documents ACLJ's FOIA request is seeking are a matter of widespread and exceptional media interest in which there exist possible questions about the government's integrity which affect public confidence, but they have held up the release for more than 3 months. The second lawsuit relates to former FBI Director James Comey's investigation into Clinton's use of private email servers and treatment of classified information. The organization is seeking all records concerning or relating in any manner to the decision of the FBI declining to prosecute Clinton, all drafts of Comey's statement closing the investigation, from his original draft in early 2016 to the final version, all records regarding Comey's decision to close the investigation and not prosecute her, all evidence of potential violations of the statutes regarding the handling of classified information referenced by Comey in his statement on July 5, 2016, All records concerning the immunity agreements entered into between the DOJ and witnesses and/or subjects of the FBI's investigation, including Cheryl Mills and Heather Samuelson, and all grand jury subpoenas obtained by the FBI to compel information from Clinton's internet service providers. We will continue to hold the deep state bureaucracy accountable, the ACLJ concluded their statement.
This has been the Trump Breaking News Network. Please subscribe and share to stay up to date on the latest news about our president. Be informed.